My name is Jake Kavalovic.
My name is Matt.
My name is Justin Sonic.
My name is Hannah Zawatsky.
My name is Titus LeMay.
My name is Jordan.
My name is Lori Consulman.
My name is Chris. My name is Ryan.
My name is Diane Datlinger.
My name is Sam, and I am the owner of Glenshaw Auto Service.
Can it be anything? Okay. I'd probably take food, obviously. My cell phone. You always need your cell phone. And then the last item I'd take is probably my truck.
A satellite radio, some way to signal people, and like a book.
Probably would choose my family, because I would probably go crazy without them. And then some kind of survival items, maybe something to build a fire, and maybe some kind of a weapon to hunt with.
Probably take some water, some food, and a Leatherman.
I would take a knife, a tent, and a flare. I don't know.
Well, to specify items, not people, so the 3 items that I chose were wine, something to start a fire with, and music.
A fishing rod, beer, and water.
A lighter.
Alcohol, a lighter, and a fishing rod.
A fishing pole.
A bottle of Jack Daniels, a lighter, and rope.
And a blanket.
Helen Mirren.
Viggo Mortensen, so I can prove to my wife that I did meet him when I was younger.
Dwayne The Rock.
I don't know, probably like someone funny like Kevin Hart. He'd bring a lot of cool cars over.
I would say my grandfather, because he had such a great passion for working on older automobiles, and he loved to restore them. And I think it'd be wonderful to share with him how far the automobile industry has evolved since he was working on vehicles.
I think I would pick Charles Ross. He's like a comedian. He has a YouTube channel called Ross Creations, and he makes like funny videos. Just seems like a really, really funny guy, really chill guy. Also Charles Ross.
Certainly not my daughter, because she's scary to ride with. She likes to go fast. Probably my wife.
Robin Williams.
Morgan Freeman.
It could be Gordon Ramsay. It'd be cool to have Anthony Bourdain.
Bob Barker. I don't know why, it was just the first name that came to my head whenever I read that question. Just Bob Barker.
One of my best friends.
My girlfriend.
Sam.
Nicest can be defined so many ways. I mean, probably Lori.
Lori.
Nicest car would either have to be Sam or Lori, because they do have a lot of nice rides. Or Justin's Tacoma. That's a pretty sweet truck too.
They all just drive dumb trucks.
Lori does. Which one? Her Jeep.
Definitely Sam and Lori.
Chris.
Me. Lori. Which one? Camaro.
It would be Sam and his 72 Nova that's in pieces.
I'd probably say Jake.
I'm gonna go with Jake.
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 Ryan.
Jeez. I think probably the boss. Probably Sam.
Probably Matt.
Sam.
I don't know of anybody that's done that, so I don't have a guess on that one.
All of us.